Hello, this is Reverend Dr. Anthusa Helena, owner, developer, founder of Sollite for healing and conscious awakening. Today's video is twofold. I always state that life is your medicine. So today I'm presenting the new self-care video series, as well as briefly explaining my experience of my personal story for the last 9 months, which took me to create and develop this series for you on my process of healing and awakening. Within the last 9 months, those began in March. The first 3 months I was in self-quarantine and self-isolation, working through a series of many variety of symptoms, some new and some familiar with, as well as having unemployment and the inability or deemed ineligible through governmental processes. I had also financial challenges and was unable to get any kind of COVID governmental relief funds to subsidize me through this 7 or 8 months of being without income. So I wanted to just give you the highlights of this experience. I went through facing core areas that were in the recesses of my soul, better commonly known as the dark night of the soul. Those hidden places were calling out for my attention to heal. I found as I was going through my process that there are 3 major common emotions that one faces or feels, definitely experience, and feeling is the quickest way to having the awareness of the healing process. These 3 common emotions for me were fear, grief, and anger. I found also that in switching my focus of attention to be aware and witness my process through seeing my life experience through the eyes of the viewpoint of infinite source, and looking underneath as it was unfolding the divine plan of source in my life, calling my attention again through this experience of possibly can be seen as unpleasant or unwanted, or in many ways from a victimhood point of view. So I also found the next steps to this process was, for me, acceptance of what is at the present moment, surrender and letting go of all that was being brought to my attention that no longer served me, and doing all this with awareness. As you go through your own personal process, I want you to notice that there is a moment of dying, or the feeling of actually being annihilated or dying your physical body as well, held within this unpleasant situation that has been brought to your attention, however it unfolds in your life. It's coming through your life experience as your gift and medicine. I found that in praise and gratitude, and in my own or your willingness to open this gift and walk through it, experience it fully, however the unpleasant or unwanted or unpreferred package is being presented to you in your outward worldly situation. I found in facing my experience in this way and utilizing the modalities I offer within my own program, Sollite, and private sessions, is as you're going through the other side with awareness, goodness, love, and mercy follow in all situations of healing. So let me show you the 3-part series on the screen. And again, this was combining the modalities that I utilize in my practitioner training and private sessions programs. I broke all 6 of the modalities of integrative medicine in segments of 2 for each video in sequential series, starting with part 1, which is the foundation of integrative medicine, includes color and light, therapy and awareness in the brain. Part 2 of the self-care video series includes the physical and energetic, mental, emotional portions of our being, the cranial sacral therapy part modality, and medical qigong. The third video series are the last 2 elements of the integrative medicine, bringing us back to wholeness and unity and health. Those are heart and soul healing and spiritual medicine. These are all brief video series. Exercises will be explained within the content of the video for about 5-10 minutes tops, and they all seemingly integrate and follow in sequential order, building upon each other. So there's so much similarity within each exercise and technique for you to utilize in your own well-being. So I just want to end. This is just a brief introductory program, short video to lead you to go to my YouTube channel, Sollite Helena, and click on in sequential order or whichever you resonate with first, and experience the technique for yourself. And again, I'm offering this for your support in your own journey of healing and conscious awakening. And I'm available through Sollite, SOLLITE.com, to contact me for private sessions or enroll in any of the specialty programs, which are shorter programs, and then also the practitioner training program, which is a longer, more in-depth 6-month program offered twice a year. Thank you. Blessings to you. Stay well and safe. Have a wonderful day.